In the last video, already we discussed polyamide class of condensation polymer and polyester class of condensation polymer. Now, in this video, we will discuss another example of condensation polymer. Third one, phenol formaldehyde polymer. This polymer is also known as a bakelite. When phenol is a react with formaldehyde in the presence of acid or base, then it forms orthohydroxymethylphenol and para-hydroxymethylphenol. Further, that orthohydroxymethylphenol is a react with phenol molecule that undergoes polymerization reaction, then it forms Novolec. Here Novolec is a linear polymer, and further that Novolec is a react with excess amount of formaldehyde, then it form crosslink type of polymer bakelite. Hold this reaction that take place in a three step. In the first step, we just remember phenol react with formaldehyde that form orthohydroxymethylphenol and para-hydroxymethylphenol. Second step, orthohydroxymethylphenol is a react with phenol, undergoes polymerization reaction, then it form Novolec. And in a third step, that Novolec react with excess amount of formaldehyde, then it form bakelite. In the first step, formation of ortho and para hydroxymethylphenol. In the second step, formation of Novolec, and in the third step, formation of bakelite. Here we have to remember few points for MCQ. Novolec is a linear polymer while bakelite is a crosslink polymer. This point, Novolec is a which type of polymer that already asked in a board exam. Then answer is Novolec is a linear polymer. Do not confuse between Novolec and bakelite. Novolec is an intermediate step while the bakelite is a final step. Novolec is a linear polymer while bakelite is a crosslink polymer. Properties of bakelite. These polymer are crosslink type of polymer. It is thermosetting. It is act as an insulator, and it is a synthetic polymer of phenol and formaldehyde class. Uses. It is used in the making of combs, phonograph records, electrical switchboard, plugs, and handle of utensils. We have to remember this point for MCQ, that which polymer is used in the preparation of electrical switchboards or plug. Then answer is bakelite. Next polymer is melamine formaldehyde polymer. It is also known as a MELMAC. When melamine react with formaldehyde, then it form resin intermediate, and that resin intermediate further polymerization reaction, then it form melamine formaldehyde polymer. Here simple we have to remember the structure of melamine, that melamine react with formaldehyde. Simply formaldehyde is added with the NH2 group and it's converting into NHCH2OH, and in a second step water molecule is eliminated and all that three sites become active. Properties of melamine. Melamine is a formaldehyde class of polymer. It is crosslink type of polymer, thermosetting polymer, act as an insulator, and this polymer is hard and strong. This polymer is used in the preparation of unbreakable or non-breakable plastic crockery, for example cup and plastic. We have to remember few points for MCQ for board exam as well as for NEET exam, and it is already asked in exam, that IUPAC name of a melamine, then answer is 2,4,6 triamino 1,3,5 triazine. Second thing, we have to remember the structure of melamine, also resin and melamine formaldehyde polymer. And one more MCQ that already asked in a board exam, that which polymer is used in the manufacturing of non-breakable crockery, then answer is melamine. Now next topic is copolymerization. In copolymerization, we will discuss styrene butadiene rubber. We all are aware with the term that is copolymer. Co means two different. When two different molecule that combine together, then they form polymer. That polymer is called copolymer, and this reaction is copolymerization reaction. In styrene butadiene rubber, 1,3-butadiene molecule undergoes polymerization with styrene molecule, then it forms styrene butadiene rubber. Here, in 1,3-butadiene molecule, initially double bond is present between carbon 1, carbon 2 and carbon 3 and carbon 4. When 1,3-butadiene molecule react with styrene molecule, then all the double bond is converting into single bond, while the single bond is converting into double bond. And the last CH2 of 1,3-butadiene that are combined with CH of a styrene molecule. This polymer is tough and it is suitable substitute for natural polymer. It is used in floor tiles, footwear, automobile tires, and in cable insulation. Here we have to remember one point for MCQ, that which polymer is a suitable substitute for a natural polymer. Then answer is styrene butadiene rubber. Today's homework: explain preparation properties and uses of bakelite polymer. Second question: what is Novolac and state its preparation reaction. Third question: write a note on a polymer that is used in a preparation of unbreakable or non-breakable crockery. And the fourth question: explain styrene butadiene rubber. Thank you.